We all need bras and shapewear, but oh my goodness, they're so expensive. I can't even believe it. So I went out and made it my personal mission to find some beautiful bras and shapewear pieces that didn't break the bank. I promise. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Dawn with Just Doing My Best. I hope you'll find me on Facebook and Instagram and say hi. And on my website, justdoingmybest.com, you can find links to all of my outfits all of the time. I love to find great products and share ideas that can help us women over 40 and over 50 look and feel our best at the age we're at right now. Today, we're talking about shapewear. We all buy it, we all need it, but man, oh man, sometimes shapewear, bras, whatever, cost a fortune. And it's not one size fits all. It's not like I can say that I absolutely love this bra and you will love it too. I have my favorites, you probably have your favorites, but I think we owe it to ourselves to find some really great alternatives that are not gonna cost us an arm and a leg, that are not gonna break the bank. So that's what I wanted to do, and I think I found some really pretty alternatives. So I hope that you love them too, and I'm gonna leave the links at the end of this video. So all you have to do, especially if you are watching this video on your phone, underneath the screen on your right hand side, there's a little arrow, and if you'll tap that, you'll get a drop down box and then you'll see the links. So I hope that helps. Now, all of the pieces that I'm going to show you today, I found at Target. I chose Target because I love their website, but I do want to say this. If you're going to look for any of these pieces, and again, I'm going to link them at the end of this video, I encourage you to find them on the website, order them, maybe order several sizes and take back all the stuff that doesn't work. That's the great thing about ordering from someplace like Target or Walmart or things like that. You can order it, try it on at home, and take back to the store all of the things that don't work, and then you don't have to pay shipping for returning it. So I really encourage you to try to find these pieces online versus in the store, because it's much easier to navigate the website where, you know, sometimes when you go into a place like a Walmart or a Target, sometimes things have been picked through and it's a little bit harder to find your size. So that's what I did, was I went on the website to Target, I found the pieces that I wanted, and then I just had them shipped to a store near me. So that made it a whole lot easier, but you can always just have it shipped to your house too if you want to do that. So let's start with a couple of pieces of shapewear before we get to bras. And at the very end, I'm going to show you how I care for all my shapewear pieces, how I wash them and get them to last a really super long time. So the first thing we're going to start with is a pair of shaping panties. Now, these shaping panties are from Assets. If you've never heard of Assets, Assets is a off-brand or a sister brand of Spanx. So most all of us have tried Spanx. So what Assets is to Spanx is kind of what Target is to like Lord & Taylor or something like that. Same great quality, just at a little bit cheaper price. So this is a great kind of what some of the brands will call a power panty, which I love because it really covers you in back, but you see it's a very high rise. Kind of comes up just below or above your belly button, but just below your bra. So it really covers that midsection, covers your behind and covers your midsection. So I absolutely love these. And these were the shaping panty. and they were $14. So not too bad to give you a pair of panties and something that's going to suck you in underneath your clothes in your midsection also. The next item that I have, and I want to say that these are kind of a bike short, and I have tried the assets at Target in these shaping kind of a bike short silhouette, and absolutely love them. Absolutely love them from Assets. But I chose this one, and they call this a slip short. And I love this. You can get these in black. You can get them in the nude. I chose the nude because the nude is so versatile. Getting something like this in the nude is perfect when now all the skirts that we buy, they don't seem to be lined anymore. The dresses don't seem to be lined anymore. So this is perfect that you don't, when you kind of go move into the light or the doorway and people can see right through, you're not giving away the farm. But I also love these bike shorts when you wear white pants, because not only do you not get the panty line in back, but it really smooths everything out front and back. If you haven't tried a pair of shorts like this, I love these. And then this one here has got a panel on the side. You can't really see, but it's got a panel in the side to really suck everything in. It's a wide band at the bottom, so it's not going to cut you off. They lay really nicely underneath your pants, your dress pants, especially your skirts. I love these. So I really recommend, if you don't love the idea of the really higher waisted power panty, then I would really recommend this kind of a slip short or the bicycle short, whether you get this one from Jockey or you get one from Assets. And of course, they've got the more expensive ones from Spanx, but we're talking about affordable alternatives at Target. But I think you'll love these just for the fact that they just smooth everything out front and back, and you'll just be so comfortable knowing that you really truly look good and you look shapely under your pants and your skirts. Let's talk for just a minute about getting fitted for a bra. Obviously, if you're going to go on a website like Target and you're going to look for a bra, you're not going to be able to get measured. It is so important to get measured properly for a bra. Even if you go into one of the larger department stores or you go into someplace, one of the places at the mall, get properly fitted for a bra to make sure that you're buying the right size. So many women are not wearing the correct size. And the older we get, and let's just say the ladies are not facing the direction that we would like them to face, we want to lift them up just a little bit. And so you need to get the right bra for you because it can be so aging. When your chest is falling and it's, let's just face it, it's heading south a little bit, it can be very aging. It's very youthful to make sure that you're in the correct bra, the correct size for you, and it's facing the direction it needs to be facing. So another tip that I want to give you before you find, or while you're looking for the right bra, is when you fasten the bra in the back, the tightest, you generally have 3 adjustments in the back. So you got 1, 2, 3. Since bras generally will kind of stretch out over time, it's just normal. You're supposed to replace your bra. They say you should replace your bra every 6 months. I think if you take really, really good care of it, you can definitely get a year out of your bra. So when you buy your bra, you should be fastening your bra on the first set of adjustments and being able to move over. So by the time you get to the last set of adjustments, you should be able to wear it there for a good long time. Once you've got it on that last set of adjustments and it's sliding and it won't stay in place, it's time to get a new bra. So when you first buy it, make sure that you are able to do the very first set of adjustments so that you've got some room to let it spread out just a little bit. So now let me show you these beautiful bras that I found. This first one that I found, and I left the tags on it so that I could remember which one this is. This one here is a convertible back t-shirt bra. I do want to say that if you need a convertible back bra for $21.99, this is a good deal, a really good deal. I have bought convertible back bras before, you know, where you can turn it into a racer back. You can wear it normally if you need to, but then there's a little piece back here where you can connect it. And if you, it won't stay while it's not on me, but you can connect it and now it becomes a racer back. I've spent really good money on convertible bras. So if you need a convertible bra that lays really smooth underneath your clothes, this is a good one. I will say this though, the one thing that I did not like about this bra is I needed help getting it adjusted and figuring out where it needed to be. It's a lot of on and off and on and off and on and off. And it's a different adjustment if you're gonna have it in the convertible position versus wearing it normally. So keep that in mind. But if you don't wear a racer back bra very often, then for 22 bucks, this is the way to go. So this is the convertible t-shirt bra. The next one is, this is what they call a light lift, which is what I prefer. I'm not very busty, and so I like to lift them up a little bit, especially, you know, these days. But this one is a light lift, what they call kind of a demi bra. Also very nice underneath your clothes. And I love this one too. This one, again, only $21.99. Was really, really pleased with this, this demi lift bra. The next one, I'm gonna tell you, was probably one of my favorite bras that I have tried on in a long, long time. And are you ready? It's $12.99. $12.99. That's $13. $12.99 for a bra. And again, probably one of the best bras I've tried on in a long time. This one is a light lift bra. Like I said, it's a kind of a demi bra, just like the other one. Very, very smooth. And this is a new line that they're carrying at Target now. Still has the 3 adjustments in the back. I'm gonna tell you, for a lifting bra that lays nicely underneath your clothes, y'all, for $12.99, come on. That's a great deal. And you know, they say, like I said, they say you're supposed to replace your bra every 6 months. Okay, you know what? I could afford to replace this every 6 months versus normally having to replace a bra every 6 months or a year and they're $65 every single time. Oh, my stars and garters. For $12.99, y'all. This is amazing. So I'm gonna make sure that you have links to all of these at the end of this video. Next thing is I'm gonna show you how I take care of all my bras and get them to last a really long time. I would love to know in the comments if you have ever bought a bra from Target. I know I don't think I had in years, and I was so pleasantly surprised to find those. So leave me a comment and let me know if you're normally buying bras from Target and Walmart, and I just didn't know it. Or if you're going to now, let me know. So let me share with you how I get all of my bras and shapewear to last a really long time. First of all, I do wash them in the wash machine. I know that when you buy them at the big department stores and they will tell you, you know, hand wash them. I hand wash sweaters, but who has got time to hand wash all your bras and all your shapewear all the time? Hello, that's not gonna happen. So here's what I do, is fasten them, okay? And then get yourself some lingerie bags. And I will put some links at the end of this video. Get yourself some lingerie bags. Put all of your nice lingerie in here. Your nice slips, your shapewear, your bras, your swimsuits. You put all of these in these zippered bags and then you throw them in the wash machine. And once they've been washed, you could just put them on the regular cycle. So I would wash this with darks. And then once it's done, I take a safety pin and I pin it up in my laundry room and I don't let them go through the dryer. So I wash them in the lingerie bag and then they just get clothespined up so they line dry in my laundry room, or I might even put them on a hanger and let them hang so they air dry in my laundry room. You don't want to put these in the dryer, and I promise y'all, your bras and your shapewear will last twice as long as what they tell you that they will last. So take really good care of them. I hope all that helped, and I hope that you'll like this video. You'll share it with more women who are just like us, and we don't want to spend an arm and a leg on bras and shapewear. Leave me a comment and let me know what you're going to go out and try. Is it going to be the bras from Target? Is it going to be the bike shorts? Is it going to be the power panties? Let me know. I hope that this video was helpful. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please subscribe so you know when more videos come out. And I hope that you will go out today and you will be blessed and you will do your best.